Adventure time with the Transit Prodigy.
You better tell that to the ones going to Hawaii.
Well, Hawaii is one exception, but for the most part, they have usually not flown over the Pacific Ocean because they need to have enough land below them.
And look at this. Flight radar set up on my windowsill. Look at this.
Wow.
Oh, that's perfect. Why didn't I aim it there?
Oh, the one that went right next to the moon?
It went through the moon.
Wow.
That was perfect. I ain't gonna lie. That was Delta.
Welcome aboard, and thanks for flying with Delta. Our first priority on every flight is safety. So before we depart, I'll be showing you a brief safety presentation.
And we got a Southwest coming out. Thank you for watching today's featured video.